Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Le Corinne, ce serait chacal dansant. J'aime juste l'image d'un chacal qui danse. Ça n'avait pas rapport à toi, dans le fond. On reprend notre petit pic là.
What the f was that?
It's like the heat of the summer, and
teaches the different systems. So we could, Al Smith, the all-pro linebacker, is working in our as a VP of.
And he's like, you can trust me with the job, and I'm all like, trust.
And while Progressive can save you from these trolls, we can help you save money on commercial auto and business insurance.
We went back in for 30 minutes, came back out, and it was game time. But I felt like we got all season.
As you can see, I'm being passed by another 18-wheeler. You can see that guy on the right getting on the freeway. I slowed down. He never sped up. So now I'm being forced to move over to let him in. Signal on, go over. As you can see, he would have ended up right next to me. As soon as I can, I go back to my lane. And all is well, right? Well, at least that's what I thought, until I hear someone honking. This guy right here, flipping me off as he's passing by. It happens a lot, so I don't mind. I don't pay attention to him until he starts doing this. Okay, well, I move forward. I don't want any part of that. Go. But no, that wasn't enough. At this point, all my bells and whistles in the truck start going off. I slow down as much as I can, move over, try to avoid the situation. But no, that wasn't enough for me. He flips me off again, and then he pulls his phone, points at his phone, you see, both hands off out of the cab, points at his phone. I don't know what he's doing. Can't move back to the right because I have someone on my right. But we slow down. You see, everyone else is going way faster than us. So he slows down. I see him recording me, taking pictures of me, taking pictures of my truck, of my trailer. I still see him, and then he's flashing his lights. He goes behind me. I don't know what was the purpose of that.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.